Welcome to StudyWind, where we make learning a breeze. Today we will be looking at linear inequalities. So linear inequalities are quite simple. It's like algebra, except with a greater than or less than sign. So for example, x minus 1 is greater than 5. Just add 1 to both sides, and you get x is greater than 6. Or you can write it in set notation, where you have x colon x is greater than something. 6 in this situation. One thing to watch out for while dealing with inequalities is flipping negatives to positives. If you have negative 3x is smaller than negative 7, it flips to 3x is greater than 7, because say x was 5, right? Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, which is smaller than negative 7. But if you take 15, it is larger than 7, so you have to flip the sign around when you're changing negatives to positives. Like that. Minus something x is greater than minus something. Something x is less than this thing from before. So comprehension test, just to check if you've taken it in. First question, 5x is greater than 10. What's x? X is greater than 2. It's quite simple, you just divide it by 5. Question 2, 3x plus 5 is greater than 2x. So what would x be? X would be greater than negative 5, because 3x minus 2x is x, and then you get x plus 5 is greater than 0, so you have to subtract 5 from both sides, getting x is greater than negative 5. Question 3, you can, with two equations, x plus 5 is greater than 0, x minus 7 is less than 0. You can just join the equations together, so minus 5 is smaller than x, which is smaller than 7. And last question, 3x minus 5 is smaller than 9x. 32x is smaller than 123 plus x. You get minus 5 6x is smaller than x, which is smaller than 123 divided by 31, when you simplify it out. That's all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more maths videos.